So what do we end up with over here? Okay, we've kind of jumped ahead, haven't we? Because did we write it as a decimal first? Here was our fraction. Can we write it as a decimal? Somebody talk to me. Louis, go for it.
Oh, well, it's already 80. It would be 875. 875.
It'd be 875.
No, but you have to change it into a decimal, so it would be
That's what I'm asking.
87 and 5/10.
Guys, stop and think. We moved too far here. Take our 875 over 1,000. Write it as a decimal. Grant, what are we going to do?
Since there's thousands in decimals, it'd be 875 thousandths.
Okay, so tell Luke exactly what that's going to look like. Start with the decimal point.
Decimal. 875 after the decimal.
Do we have that number written as a decimal? Everybody? Yes. Okay. Then we ran Luke into something else. He gave us our next answer. What did he?
A percent.
What's our percent, Luke?
8.
Nice job. Way to hang in there. Okay, Greer.
I messed up because I thought that I needed to denominator of 100. I got it wrong. So I thought I made a denominator of 100.
When you were trying to make a decimal?
Yeah, I'm not decimal percent.
Oh.
Because I thought I'm going to divide both of them by whatever 1,000 divided by 100 is 10. So I divided 645 by 10. And I got 63 by 10.
Okay, but you remembered a percent. Okay, I'm sorry. You were. Where did you get stuck again?
Because I thought that if I had the denominator of 100 to get the percent, I needed to divide 1,000
Oh,
by 10 and
okay.
635 by 10, and I got 63 and 5/10.
Okay, but we did need to take our 1,000 and get it to 100.
Yeah.
So in order to do that, what did we have to divide by?
10.
10. And what we do on the bottom,
What do you want on top?
because we're creating an,
Equivalent fraction.
okay, so then 87 and a half. Okay? All right. Who's got an equation for me? A nice, quick, easy one. Come on. Do you have an equation?
Nope.
How come?
Because I was still stuck on the first one.
Okay, who has an equation? Olivia, hand that back to her, please. Thank you.
7/8 times 16 49ths.
7/8 times 16 49ths. Nice numbers. What'd you do?
I cross canceled and
So talk to me. Tell me what you did.
8 times 2 equals 16, so I divided 8 by 8 and got 1, and divided 16 by 8 and got 2.
Nice.
And then 7 times 7 equals 49, so I divided 7 by 7 and got 1, and I divided 49 by 7 and got 7. And then I multiplied and got 2/7.
Nice job. Okay. And I know some of the rest of you haven't, but we're headed on. Okay, today, I know you've got a problem from yesterday. I know you want to share what you figured out or didn't figure out. Okay, but we're going to put that one at the end. We're going to go ahead and do today's and get going, okay? So, we want to find percents based on a rate of per 100 and solve problems where we have where we're finding the whole. Have we been doing this? Looking for the whole when we have a part and a
Percent.
Okay, and how do we do that? What do we do? Louis, cups.
Yes.
Talk to me, Louis.
So we have our part on top. No, so for our numerator, we have the pole at the denominator.
There you go.
And then for our numerator, we have the part. And then across from the part, we have our percent. And then our whole.
Nice job. Can somebody share the 2 words that'll help us clue into it? Patrick, go for it.
Is and of.
Well,
What?
a little more detail. Is and of what? Where's one go? Where's the other one go?
Is the part, and of is the whole.
Nice job. Okay, so here we go. Everybody. Part.
Whole. Percent. Is of. Part. Whole. Is part of whole.
Okay,
Okay,
we
who's-
can do this.
Who do I give this to?
Yes, you can set it inside. There you go. I know that's just one more distraction. All right. First problem. So, whiteboards in front of us. Okay. Now, this first time we're going to work through together. We are going to do it. We are going to divide and conquer. Hopefully you have your calculator in front of you so that you can work some of the problems.
Can I go
Okay,
get
I
it?
like the way I'm seeing Alyssa and Gio. They cleared everything off. They're ready to go. They've got their whiteboard in front of them. They don't need any distractions. Okay, so 36 is 30% of what number? First off, let's build a model. 36 is 30%. So here, what's this bar going to represent?
The whole.
Really?
What's going to be the part?
I'm listening.
That one's going to be the part, and the one on the bottom is going to be the one on the
Okay,
how it's
we're not making a fraction with our picture. We're drawing a unit bar.
Oh.
Okay, unit bars first off. Tiffany, go for it. You've got one sketched on your board. What do I need to do? What if I go like this? What have I just represented? What's the red section represents? What's the yellow? What can I do? Red represents the part. Okay. Okay, red represents the part. What's my part, everybody?
Red. 36. Red.
Yay! My part is 36. Okay. What else is my part?
30%?
Ah, 30% is my part. What am I trying to figure out?
The whole.
Tiffany, where am I going to put my question mark?
By the yellow.
Is the yellow my whole?
Yes.
It is? Louie, you're shaking your head no. What's my whole? This whole bar is my whole. 30%. What's this?
The other
Okay, and what percent would that be? Not that that's part of the question.
No, it would be 70%.
It'd be 70%. Do we know that number up there?
No.
No. Okay. We've got our picture.
But
Remember, we've got our plan here. Who can tell me how to set it up? Chloe, let's go.
So we have a part of 36 and a whole of blank.
We'll put a question mark there.
And we have a percent, but we have 2%. So we would put 2 rates, or we just X out. Okay.
We were just talking there through that one. Go
Okay.
with what the problem's given you.
Okay. Then we have 30%, so 30 over 100.
Okay, who's going to take it from there? Go for it, Gabby. What are we going to do next?
You can cross multiply 36 and 100 to get 3,600. And then you divide that by 100 and you get 36.
I did what you told me.
But she did it wrong.
Gabby, have you figured out?
No.
Your classmates are questions. James, please take it. Pass it on. Thank you.
You divide it by 30 instead.
I remember because when we had the whole and not the part, I was thinking we divided by 100. That's what I was doing.
All right. Okay, so tell me again, Hannah, what am I going to do?
You divide 3,600 by 30.
You get 150.
Giovanni, remember there's a way to share. Okay, Chloe?
We can do this pretty easily if we divide by 10 and then multiply by 3.
And you're exactly right. Very nice observation. Okay, what do we end up with here, Giovanni?
120.
Okay, 120. So what is our answer?
120.
So 36 is 30% of,
120.
and if we look here, let's see. Oh, did we set it up right? 36 over 30. Oh, we did. Yes.
If we subtract 36 from 120, then we can find out how much the other part, how much 70% was.
Oh, so talk to me. What is this?